There's always something about rain. The sound of it falling, hitting the windows, and the fresh smell in the air. It can set so many different moods. It all comes together and makes the perfect atmosphere to sit down and draw. A lot of people see rain as gloomy, but for me and many other artists, it's fuel. It's like the world slows down just enough for me to lock in and get inspired. This piece is kind of a celebration of the serene beauty found in a woman's face, gently framed by natural flowers that flow around her in a soft, organic rhythm. And I'm not going to talk through this entire piece. I just wanted to give you a little bit of an introduction. I kind of just want to let music kind of play and guide you through this drawing. But I just wanted to give a quick little breakdown as well about, each of the features are drawn with care, like all of my paintings or drawings. With this piece, it goes from the delicate curve of the lips to the subtle shadows that kind of define her cheekbones and the depth in her eyes. And there's a quiet elegance in the way that her expression kind of holds both calm and strength. It's almost like a timeless grace that feels gentle yet captivating. But the flowers in this piece, they're definitely not just a decorative, just to kind of throw in there. They're kind of part of the story. Each petal and leaf and bloom, it kind of interacts with her features, kind of guiding the eye around the composition and creating a natural harmony between human beauty and nature. And they add softness and movement and life, enhancing a calm energy of a portrait while complementing the face's subtle emotions. And working with pastels, they allow me to layer in colors in a way that feels organic, letting highlights and shadows and textures blend seamlessly into one another, giving both the flowers and the portrait a vibrant yet a peaceful presence. And I used to think the same thing about oil paints, and I still do, but a part of me just can't get over the fact that pastels give me this end result, and at least that I can achieve with them anyways. And this is where it's at for me, and I think that this is where my heart lays now, is definitely with the pastels for these softer pieces. And this painting isn't just about aesthetics, it's about atmosphere and emotion, and that's kind of what I was going for, like a meditative quality in the way that the elements kind of flow together, and a sense of stillness that brings a quiet joy to creating it. And hopefully to anyone who sees it, the calm of the flowers, the gentle focus of her gaze, and the soft blended tones of the pastels all work together to create a piece that feels alive, yet peaceful, vibrant, yet soothing. And it's a reminder of the simple beauty found in natural forms, the elegance of a human face, and the tranquility and thoughtful, layered art can bring. Every stroke, every bloom, every shadow is a part of this harmony, creating a portrait that feels like it could breathe, inviting viewers to kind of pause and reflect and experience a moment of calm amidst the busyness of what we call life. But as always, everybody, thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that you enjoy seeing this piece kind of come to life, from the first flowers to the final details of the portrait. I love sharing these moments of creativity with you guys, and it means a lot that you take the time to watch and support my work. So if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more art, more inspiration, and more creative journeys. And thanks again for being here and sharing this experience with me. you.